students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the food web. A large number of food chains exist in a community of living organisms in an ecosystem such as grassland, a forest, a pond, a crop field, etc. Many of these food chains are interconnected by species, or you can say organisms, which occur in more than one food chain. So the interconnected food chains operating in an ecosystem which establish a network of a large number of food chains existing in an ecosystem is called a food web. The food web has many intercrosses and linkages among the various species, that is, producers and consumers present in it, which means that the various food chains in an ecosystem do not operate in isolation, or they cannot operate, you can say in simple, that these food chains cannot operate in alone. So they operate in the form of a network of food chains called food web. You can understand this from this very figure. This is the food web. In food web, you can see here a food web consists of many interconnected food chains. You see here a network of numerous pathways along which the food or the energy flow within grassland community. This food web starts from the plants. It starts from the plants. Now you see the plants. The food web starts from plants, which is a producer, and ends in the top carnivore. You can see here hawk or bars. There are as many as 6 food chains operating in this food web which I am displaying before you. First, in the first food chain, plants are eaten by rabbit, and then rabbit is eaten by hawk. Here is plant, it is eaten by rabbit and last hawk. Then next, in second food chain, plants are eaten by the mice, or you can say rat, and this rat in turn is eaten by hawk. And next one food chain is here, plants that produce seeds. These seeds are eaten by birds, and this bird is in turn is eaten by hawk. Then from this grassland food chain, the plants here are eaten by the grasshoppers, that is grasshopper, and this grasshopper in turn is eaten by the hawk. Next one, this plant food web is eaten, these plants are eaten by mice, and this mice is also eaten by snake, and snake in turn is eaten by hawk. The sixth one is these plants where from this food web starts, rather a single chain of this food web. Plants eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, and snake in turn is eaten by the hawk. So this was the food web. Hope you might have understood. Video is getting long. Thank you. See you next class. Take care.